Okay, so Trin's asked, hi man, my joint account only has groceries and eating out. My partner paid for all utility bills in his personal accounts. We have bought a house in joint name and have a baby. Will the rarely used joint account affect us? No, it won't. Not in that way. Not that clinically. It's not, as I've said, proving you guys are in a de facto relationship or in a married relationship is like a puzzle, okay? And certain things are pieces towards that puzzle, such as joint accounts is one piece that proves you are in a de facto or spousal relationship. But do you know what bigger pieces than a joint account are? Like having a baby. In a relationship, that's a big piece. Very difficult for a case officer to say you're not in a de facto or spousal relationship, given you have a child together. So huge commitment. It's a massive piece towards proving de facto or spousal relationship. And the other one is purchasing a home together. Those are probably the two biggest, heaviest weighted pieces towards proving de facto or spousal that I can really think of. And the fact that you're not using a joint account is not going to on its own be an issue, given you've got those other main big pieces behind you. If you weren't, if you didn't have a child together and didn't purchase property together, and your joint accounts were weak in the sense that they weren't really used, and maybe you were missing a few other key items that we typically recommend, then sure, collectively, when you put all those minor issues together, it might create a problem, but not like this. Okay, so you don't look at joint accounts in isolation, you look at it collectively, depending on all of the couple's facts, their entire timeline and everything they have before they apply, and whilst they continue to process the application, what you continue to update your application. So Trin, I don't know all of your facts, I don't know all the documents you're collecting, but really just those two main components, to me, I've never ever heard of someone being refused a partner visa that has a child and has purchased property together. Next question. Now this was also Trin. What if I put someone's name as a form template witness, but I can't get the form template from that person? It's my partner's sister. She just did it wrong way and too much effort to chase up that kid. That's fine. Don't worry. I think what you're trying to say is on the visa application form, you've put her down as a witness, as a supporting witness, right? That's going to be my assumption in terms of what you're referring to. If that's the case, and then later you're not able to provide her form AAA, that's fine. I've never had a problem with that type of situation. I would leave it at that, Trin. Again, factoring in all the other little components and facts you've just mentioned, that's not going to be a problem on its own. So just leave it. Don't worry about it. Don't overthink it. Okay. Let's see if I've missed anything.